I'm 680 News Senior Business Editor Mike Epple. In today's ever more crowded video streaming marketplace, we had another entrant today, and it is potentially the biggest competitor for incumbent Netflix. Disney Plus launching with the backing of the House of the Mouse, billions of dollars being spent on this video streaming service that has top brands and a massive collection of video options for Disney Plus under the Disney or Star Wars or Marvel Universe or 21st Century Fox, which includes the Simpsons catalog. Disney, when it announced this plan back in April, has seen its market value go up by $40 billion. Share price was up today, whereas Netflix has lost some ground from a market cap perspective. It still will be the leader for years when it comes to overall subscribers. Apple, which launched Apple Plus TV earlier this month, has seen its stock price climb to an all-time record high. Well, some trouble for some of the Canadian cannabis companies as they're rolling out quarterly earnings over this month. Organigram of New Brunswick announced late Monday that its upcoming earnings will not be near what analysts were expecting from a sales standpoint. Some thought that Organigram could sell upwards of $33 million worth of product in the fourth quarter, but it'll likely be closer to $16 million. And Organigram's stock today was down by as much as 19% at its worst level of the day. Meantime, Cronos Group, another of the newer entrants into the cannabis space, reported better than forecast profitability, but weaker sales. The stock was generally flat today on the Bay Street markets. Boeing is giving an update on when it expects the 737 MAX jets to be recertified by regulators. They said on Monday that it could be as soon as January, sometime at the start of the year. The issue for Boeing, though, is that it'll take weeks, if not months, for the airlines to actually get those planes back into service, with the pilots being recalled and trained up on the new software that runs those planes, and that could dent Boeing's order book. Share price down 1% today. They also saw weaker than forecast third quarter deliveries of wide-body jets. And can Facebook soon be a member of the Dow 30 group of stocks? Well, it's possible. Walgreens, one of the current members of the Dow 30, is in discussion to be bought out by Kohlberg Kravis Roberts in a leveraged buyout that could be worth more than $50 billion. If you take out Walgreens, something has to go in. Some think it could be Facebook or broadcaster Comcast Communications. See how that plays out. From the 680 Newsroom, I'm Mike Epple for City News.